explain you. Okay. First, we will discuss the commands where people are facing the issue. Uh, what is etc sudo means? What does it means? Okay. What is etc sudo? Okay. What else? Okay. So I hope these are the things which we will be discussing it. I'll share my screen. Okay. I'll share my screen and explain you each and everything in detail. Okay. Let's start. Let's start with the basics. First is we will understand what is grep. Okay. What else is coming? How to find the permission? We will already note it down. How do we check disk usage and file usage? Okay. This also will do it. How to check the disk usage of file and directory. Disk uses of file and directory. Okay, let's go line by line. That's all I think. Let's address this concern first, and if something is remaining, we will take it later on. Okay, so this is the topics which is there. First start with grep and find. Okay, so what is grep? Let's understand that thing, and then okay, what else is the question is coming? Screen is not visible. I have not shared it. Is it visible now or not? Okay. So let's start with grep first. Okay. So grep, first of all, grep is stand for grep is a Linux command to search the pattern text or text or string patterns in the file. So suppose notepad is a file. Okay. In this notepad, if I want to say search something, you click on find, correct? This is grep. Inside this file, if some content is there, and inside that content I want to find something, that is grep. So grep is going to find the text or string pattern in the file. Okay, so like what you are doing it here, this is the notepad. Notepad is what? Notepad is your file. What is notepad? Notepad is your file. And in that file, if I want to search something, some text, I say that okay, let's go to some Linux system. Let me just give me a second. I'll power on one Linux system and then do it. Okay, this is my Linux system. Let's go to find some file. This is the files. Okay, let's assume this is the file. Now I'll say that go and find a file. In this file, find something which is related to root, or whichever line the root is there, print that line. So grep will be used to find the pattern in the file. Suppose this is the file. In this file, I want to find root. I'll say grep root password. So whichever line the root is coming, that line will be printed. That is the rule of grep. So what grep is doing it? It will be finding the lines that is containing the specific word. Grep is what grep is doing it? It is finding the line or lines w- which is containing the specific word. So what I did it, suppose the file name is password. In this file, if I want to find a word root, okay, the file name is password. Okay, in this file, the assignment is in this file, find the lines which contains root word. Then what I did it, find root and the name of the file. Syntax is, sorry, grep root and name of the file. The syntax is grep pattern which you want to search it, pattern or word which you want to search. You want to search followed by the file name where you want to search file name. Okay, so grep is doing the that part. Gap is finally finding the file. Okay, pattern means the word, specific word which you want to search it. File name is there. Grep contains many flags, okay, which we can check it out. But simplest syntax is this one only. Okay, simplest syntax is this one. So grep the pattern or word which you want to search it and the file name. Now tell me, is it clear what is the role of grep? Putting me in the chat, yes or no. If it is clear, yes. If it is not clear, no. Okay. Now grep contains many flags. Okay. Contains many flags means in the sense. Suppose you want important flag, I will tell you. There are many flags are there which you can use it. Okay. Suppose etc is the directory. Under etc directory, many files and subdirectories are there. Correct? Under etc directory, many files and subdirectories there. Now I want to find under etc directory something recursively again and again. I want to find the root under etc directory. Where is which file has the root word is specified. It can contain files. It can contain sub like, okay, if you go in etc, you will see there are files also there. There are folders. Under the folder also the files are there. So if I want, see, first is pattern is simple, where you directly giving the file name. Second pattern is which I am doing it, I am using a flag. R is recursive search. Recursive search means search in a file. Again, if folder is there, inside the folder, again, whatever file is coming it. So it is like a wild card. It is like this. I go in the C drive. I go in the C drive and I want to search here. Like, okay, there is a